Hi grade 4, how are you all? Welcome back to your ELGA class. So today we are going to revise all our portions and we are going to complete our workbook. Okay, so children, all of you take your reader book and your workbook, pencil and eraser. Okay, take it fast. Reader, workbook, a pencil and eraser. Take it fast children. First we are going to revise our reader. Okay, what we learned in this month, what we learned in reader, we are going to revise it now. So all of you take your reader first. So yes, first take page number 6. SR1 page number 6, vowel digraphs. Yeah, I, E, I and EY we learned, right? A, E, E, I and EY we learned. So, I, field, chief, piece, thief. EI, receive, ceiling, seas. EY, donkey, monkey, hockey, key. Okay, yeah. Next, in this EI, EY and IE, a short paragraph we learned, right? Yeah. Next, quality words. Quality words, that means countable and uncountable nouns we learned, right? What is countable and what is uncountable? So what is quality words? Quality words tells us how much and how many of something is there, okay? How much thing is there or how many thing is there, okay? Yeah. So countable and uncountable, what is countable and what is uncountable? Yes, very good. Nouns which we can count, as countable noun. And what is uncountable noun? Uncountable noun which we can't count. Okay, stars we can't count. Then what? Leaves we can't count. Hair we can't count. Oil we can't count. Okay, so countable and uncountable. Countable noun we can count it, and uncountable noun we can't count it. Okay, so quality words for uncountable noun is much, little, some. Okay, uncountable, much, little, some, and countable noun few, many, some. Few, many, some. Okay children, examples also we learned. Okay, come to next page. Next page, page number 9. Page number 9. Come to page number 9. Wind, fire and paper, a story we learned, right? About China. Yeah. And in short, I will say the story. Okay. An old man, he lived in China and he has two son, and they were married to two sisters, and they were living happily. Once this two sisters, they want to meet their parents, that's why they got blessing from this old man, and they asked what this old man need as a gift, and what he said, he need wind, paper and fire. Yeah, wind and fire wrapped in a paper. That means wind and fire, it was covered in a paper, and the sisters were promised to give that gift to him, and and they stayed few days and they were happy, and at last when they returned home, they remembered that old man, he asked about a gift, and they asked to everyone, and people, they said they can't help them, but at last a woman, she came and she gave that gift to them. What gift? Wind and fire wrapped in a paper. How she helped her? They asked many people, but they couldn't help them, and people said wind will blow the paper. Yeah, if wind comes, it will blow, and fire, it will burn the paper, so we can't help you, like that they said. Then two sisters started crying, and at last a woman helped her. She put she said, I can help you. And how she helped her? She made a paper fan, then she made a paper box and put a lamp inside it. So paper fan, it will give wind. Then paper box, that means this wind and fire wrapped in a paper. She made a paper box. Inside that they kept it and gave. Okay, and for fire, what they gave? Lamp. Okay, and the old man was happy. So vocabulary words also you should learn. Okay, yeah. Then Vowel digraph we learn Y and IE. Y and IE. Okay. IGH also we learned. In that a short paragraph also they have given. Okay children? Yeah. Then come to next page. Next page, the boy who cried wolf, wolf. Okay. This is also a moral story. Yeah. What do you learn from the story? What moral you learn from the story? Yes, very good. Nobody believes a liar. Okay. Yeah. So this also in short I will say. Okay. So once there lived a shepherd boy. He every day he used to take his sheep on the hill, right? And one day he thought of playing prank on the villagers. So what he said, what he done? Yeah, he shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" The wolf was chasing the sheep, and villagers, please come and help me. Like that, he cried. When the villagers reached the hill, what they saw? Yes, no wolf was there. Right, very good. Then the boy laughed. Sir, no? Yeah. Then he made everyone fool. Okay. The villagers went back in anger. They were very much angry on that shepherd boy. Why? Because why? Yeah, he played a prank on them, and that people, that villagers, they believed that a real wolf came. So he laughed. Okay. The next day also he done the same thing. When the villagers came, he laughed. Okay. And suddenly one day what happened? A real wolf came and he growled at the sheep. Okay. And what happened? The shepherd boy started crying, wolf, wolf, wolf. At that time what happened? Any villagers came to help him? No, very good. But the villagers did not come this time. So everyone started looking for this boy in the evening, and they found that he was crying near to what? He was sitting near to a rock and he was crying, and they inquired about that, why this boy is crying. And what he said? Yeah, really a wolf came and he killed my sheep. Okay, the boy cried, and a man, he said to him that no one believes a liar, even he is telling the truth. So nobody believe a liar. If you were saying truth means also nobody will believe you. Okay, yeah. So first time they're all fool. The second time also, this boy played prank on him. So when the real wolf came, nobody turned on him. Okay, yeah. So vocabulary words are here, so you should learn. Yeah. Next, some questions are given. Okay, asking questions. We understand a story better by asking question about it. Yes or no? If I ask the story, if I ask some question about the story, you can definitely say yes or no, answer. You can definitely answer for my questions. So while reading this, while explaining this, I asked a lot of questions. So that's why you can answer for the question. Here some questions are given. Okay, what, where, what, why, how. Okay, so who is the who is the main character in the story? The next, where is the story taking place? What problem does the character or the shepherd boy face? Where did the character face that? Why did the character face that problem? How was the problem solved? These are the questions. So you should create answer for this question. Next, grammar. Our grammar section. Pronoun. What do you mean by pronoun? Yes. What do you mean by pronoun? Yes, very good. A pronoun we use instead of noun. Okay. So in the place of noun we use pronoun. So for example, shepherd boy. In the story, shepherd boy is there, and always we can use shepherd boy, shepherd boy, shepherd boy. For that, what gender is he? Yeah, boy. So for boy or man, we should use what pronoun? he. Okay, if it is a girl, we should use she. If it is a thing, we should use it. Okay, yeah, I'm a boy. This is Narman and he likes to play. He likes to play. Who likes to play? This Naman. Okay, this Naman like to play. So he likes to play. This is Neena. She likes to dance. So Neena is a girl. So that's why we use she here. Okay, this is the Taj Mahal. It is beautiful. So Taj Mahal, it is a thing. Yeah, it is not only thing. It's a place or what? It's a monument. So we use what? It. Okay. Then you are my best friend. Who? You are my best friend. These are my friends. We are a team. We are a team. If it is a group, we should use we, they. Okay. These. This is Ria and this is Pia. Sorry, this is Ria and that is Pia. They are my friends. They are my friends. Okay, including the what, the first person, that means who is talking about. If she also included in this, we should use what? We, or else they. Okay, if you are not including yourself in the sentence, you should use they. Okay. Then come to next page, the loyal mongoose. Okay, in short I will say this. Loyal mongoose, yeah, Mohan and his family lived peacefully in a village and they have a baby and a mongoose as a pet. Okay, once Mohan's wife went to a market and who guarded the child? Who guarded this baby? Yeah, this mongoose. Okay, when she returned back, what she saw? Yes, she shocked to see the mongoose with a mouthful of blood. Okay, so she thought that, what she thought? What she thought? Yes, very good. She thought that mongoose had killed the baby. Okay, in angry, what she done? She hit the mongoose with a stick and immediately mongoose died. Okay, she went inside, she rushed inside and what she find? What she find? Yeah, she found baby playing happily where? On the cradle, and she saw a dead snake near the baby's cradle. So now she understand that what? While she was in market, mongoose got at the baby and suddenly a snake came inside the room and mongoose attacked the snake and killed it. Okay, and now what happened? Yes, Mohan's wife understood the truth and she cried for mongoose. Yeah, she started crying. She realized her mistake and she started crying. But nothing could happen, right? Yeah, nothing could be done now to bring the loyal mongoose back. So, always what we have to do, what moral you learn from the story? Yes, before doing any action, we should always try to understand the situation fully. Okay, yeah, so vocabulary words also we learned in this lesson. Okay children, yeah, now that's all about our unit 1. Okay, so one more story is there that next month we can learn. Okay, so next week you have exam, till this you should study. Okay, okay children, so now it's time for our workbook. All of you take your workbook, pencil and eraser. I hope already you have completed your all your activities and homeworks, right? Okay, anyway, it is my duty to dictate the answers. Okay children? Yeah, so all of you take your workbook, pencil and eraser. Okay? Okay. So children, I hope you all completed this, right? Okay. Anyway, see, these are the answers. So, if you are not completed, you should do it now. Okay. So, I will go somewhat faster. You should pause the video and you should write it. Okay, children, you should pause the video and you should write the answers. So, first one, wind, fire and paper. So, in this wind, fire and paper, what will happen next? Okay. So, what will happen next? You should write. What do I predict? So, before what do you predict what will happen next? So this is my answers. Okay, I predicted that his daughter-in-laws will not be able to find the gift. So while you were reading the story, while reading it, you will create lot of questions, right? So if that old man, he asked a gift that wind and fire wrapped in a paper. So in that case, you thought about the question whether wind and paper can pack or wrap in a paper. If we keep a fire inside a paper box, what will happen? It will get fired, right? That paper will what? Burn. Yes or no? Yeah. So a question created in your mind whether that two sisters, they will get this gift or not. Yes or no? Yeah. So what do I predicted? I predicted that his two daughter-in-laws will not be able to find the gift. Yeah. Then which line in the story tell me that? So which line in the story what make you this question? This question. Okay, so what line? They asked many people but they could not help them. So they asked many people about this, can anybody help us to get this gift? They said no. That's why this question created, this prediction created, right? Yeah, what actually happened? At last what happened? A woman helped them with the gift and they get the gift. Yeah, a woman helped them with the gift and they get the gift, right? Okay, so next, countable and uncountable noun. See, countable and uncountable noun, you all know that countable and what is countable and what is uncountable, right? Yeah, sort the words by writing them in the correct column. So children, first you should identify these pictures. Okay, what is this? Yes, below the picture it is given. What is that? So sugar, juice, carrots, oranges, candles, soup. So sugar, is it countable or uncountable? You should write it below. Okay, countable and uncountable are small boxes given. So you should write it here. Okay, sugar, can we count it? Can we count it? So yeah, no, it is uncountable. So you should write it in the uncountable box. Sugar, we can't count. Next, juice. Can we count it? Juice? Juice? No, very good. So water or juice or oil, you can't count. It's water, right? It's a liquid. We can't count it. So, juice. Next, carrots. Can you count carrots? Yeah, we can count. So, you should write it here. Carrots, countable. Oranges. Can you count it? Oranges? Yeah, very good. So, oranges you should write in countables. Candles. Can you count it? Candles. Can you count it? Yes, very good. Candles. So, you should write it in the countable column. So, soup. Can you count it? Soup? No. So, you should write in the uncountable column. Okay, I hope you all completed. If not, you should do it now. Okay, children. So, next is read the story from SR4 and fill the table shown below. Okay. So, the story is wind, fire and paper. Yeah, wind, fire and paper. So, questions are given. You should answer it. Setting. Where was the story taking place? This wind, fire and paper? Yes, very good. The story was taking place in? Yeah, China. An old man, he lived in China, right? Yeah, China. Next. Talking about the characters. Who are in the story? Characters. Who are in the story? The main characters are? Yes, very good. Main characters are an old man, his two daughters-in-law. Okay, daughters-in-law. That means two daughters-in-law, two sisters, right? Yeah, two daughters-in-law are the characters in the story. Next. Oh, a problem. What was the problem? What was the problem they faced? What problem they faced? Yes, very good. The old man wanted a gift of wind and fire wrapped in a paper, and the sisters could not find it. That's what the problem is. If they can find it, it's not a problem. They can't find it. That's why the problem created. Okay. Yeah. Next, resolving the problem. What did they do? So to to solve this problem, what they done? What they done to solve this problem? At first they can't what? They can't get the gift. So what they done? The sisters asked everyone in the village, and finally a woman came to help them. Right? Yeah, that's how the problem solved. Next, either solution. A solution. How was the problem solved? How was the problem solved? Yeah, the woman make what she done? Yes, a paper fan, then a paper box, and put a lamp inside it. Right? Put a lamp inside it. Yes. Looking at the gift, the old man was happy. Right? Okay. So children, you should copy this. This answers, you should copy this. Just pause the video and write it. Okay? Yeah. Come to next. Read the story from SR4 and answer the following question. Yes. So they have given some questions and you should answer it. Okay. Where is the story taking place? Already we have completed this. The story was taking place in China. Right. Then who are the characters in the story? Here you should write all the characters. Okay. So who are the characters? The characters in the story are old man, his two sons, then two daughters-in-law, and at last a woman came to help them, right? A woman came to help them. So her name also you should write. Her name is not given there. So you should write a woman. Okay, woman. It is not E. This is A. Okay, woman. So children, come to next page. Yeah. Then third question. What problem did the two daughters-in-law face? What problem? Yes, very good. The two sisters could not find the gift for old man. Okay, what gift they could not find? Wind and fire wrapped in a paper. Very good. What did they do to solve the problem? To solve the problem, they asked many people about this. Yeah. Then, how was the problem solved? The problem solved when the old man received his gift. So, that's how the problem solved. Okay. Then, vowel digraph. Vowel digraph. So, read the sentence, read the passage on SR2 and answer the questions given below. SR2. All of you take your reader and turn the page second SR2. Yeah. This is the story, and from this only they have asked some two questions. Okay. So, already we have learned this, right? A thief wanted to get into the old man's house, but he did not have the keys. A donkey was outside the house. He was the thief and he wanted to seize the thief, but he did not receive any help. So he started braying and the thief ran away. Okay. Yeah. So from this, two questions are given. What questions? What did the thief wanted to do? What did the thief wanted to do? What did the thief wanted to do? Yes, the thief wanted to get into old man's house, right? Yeah. Yes. Next, what did the donkey do on seeing the thief? What did the donkey do? After seeing the thief, the donkey started braying, and the thief, what he done? He ran away. Very good. So this one, whole words, you should complete this. Okay. Complete this past. Yeah, read the sentence and take correct options from here and fill it. Yes. Next, wind, fire and paper. So read the story on SR4 and answer the questions given below. Where did the old man live? The same questions. Old man lived in China. Okay. What did he want as a gift? He wanted wind and fire wrapped in a paper as a gift. Okay. Yeah, come to next page. What gift did he get at the end? The old man get a paper fan and a paper box with a lamp inside it. Yeah, so all the three he got. Wind he got. Wind from paper fan, fire from lamp, and paper wrapped in a paper. Yes, paper box. Very good. What do you think it is the meaning of the word leaving? Not Living, Leaving. What is the meaning? Jumping or going away? Yes, very good. Going away. What do you think is the meaning of the word wrapped? Wrapped, ate, or packed in a piece of paper? Yes, very good. Packed in a piece of paper. Okay, children? Yeah. Then quality words. Quality words, countable, uncountable. Then, yes, mangoes. Is this mangoes? A few or many? A few mangoes. Okay, yeah, few mangoes. Then apple. 3 apples are given. So, little or few? Few. Then, many or some? Many. Then, potatoes. Many or some? Many. Grapes. Much or some? Much. Then, vegetables. Little or many? Many vegetables. Yeah. Then, look at this picture. And this quality you should write here. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct quantity words from the options given below. Okay. There are a dash fruits in the basket. Few or little? Few. Yeah. He has dash little or many balls around him. Little or many balls? Lot of balls are there, right? Yeah. So, many. How dash cars can you see here? How many cars? Much car or many car? 6 cars. So, many cars. Yeah. He has dash much or many pencils of different colors? Yes, many pencils. Right. There are a dash much few candles on the cake. Few candles. See, look at this. 2 candles. So, few candles. Yeah. Then, this vowel diagram you should do. I-E-E-I-E-Y. Okay? Yeah, look at this and do it. Okay? Yeah. Come to next page. Next page. Quantity words. Quantity words the same. Okay? Take the correct quantity. Sugar. A few or much? A sack of sugar, right? So, much. This, what is this? Wallet and money. Okay? A few or little? See, little money. Then, much or many? What is this? Maybe salt. Much salt. Okay. Many or little bread? Little. Okay. Then rice. Many or some rice? Some rice. Little or many books? Many books. Very good. Then this also you should do. Fill in the blanks with correct quantity words from the options given below. Okay. So, how dash milk do you drink in a day? Many milk or much milk? Much milk. Then, let me put dash few or some jam on the bread. Some jam. So, this you should do. Okay. Yeah. Then see quantity words. Some more quantity words are given here. You should do. Okay, children? Copy it. Yes. Then come to next page. The same quantity words. There are dash eggs in the kitchen. Few or little? Few. Then, I only have dash a little, a few coffee these days. A little. Then, there are dash much many fish in the pond. Many fish. Okay. So, many fish. Plural form, it is not fishes. Okay. It is fish only. Plural of fishes, fish only. Where we can use fishes? If varieties of fishes are there, we can write fishes. Okay, yeah. Then put dash some many oil in the pan. Some. Then how much many money is there in your pocket? Much. Okay. Then the boy who cried wolf, wolf. Yeah. Who is the main character in the story? The boy who cried wolf, wolf. Very good. Shepherd boy. Very good. So write it in a sentence. Then where was he sitting? Where was he sitting? Every day he will take his sheep on the hill, right? Yeah. So on the top of the hill. Next. What prank did he play on the villagers? He play a prank on the villagers. It is not off, it is on. Okay. Prank on the villagers by shouting wolf wolf. The wolf was chasing the sheep. Then what happened when the real wolf came? What happened when the real wolf came? All the villagers came to help him, right? No, very good. Nobody came to help him. So, when the real wolf came, he started howling at the sheep, and the shepherd boy started shouting wolf wolf, but the villagers did not come. Okay. Yeah. Then, what do you think is the meaning of the word bored? Always used to say, I feel so boring. It's a boring movie? What do you mean boring? To swim, try to catch, having nothing interesting to do. Yes, having nothing interesting to do. Which word or phrase means the same as grinned? What do you mean by grinned? What do you mean by grinned? What is the meaning? Started, shouted, had a big smile. Very good. Had a big smile. You also learned this in your vocabulary words, right? Okay. Then read the sentence and write what will happen next. What will happen next you should write, okay? Jatin wanted to buy some chocolates from the store, but he forgot his wallet at home. What will happen next? Can anybody predict this? So, Jatin, he wanted to buy some chocolates from the store, okay? But he forgot his purse. Wallet means purse at home. What will happen next? If you were at that place, what you will do? If I am in that place, what I will do, I will go back to my home, take my wallet and buy chocolates. Okay, the same thing I have written. So, you have to write your own. Okay, Jatin will go back to his home, take his wallet and then buy some chocolates. Okay, yeah. Come to next page, children. Yeah. So, pronouns. This is Shari. She is holding a flower. This is a girl, right? So, you should write she. This is Mohit. He likes to play football. He likes to play football. Okay. Yeah. So, this is my favorite book. So, book is a thing. So, you should write what? It has many pictures. That's Anuj and Anjali. We study in same school. Okay. Yeah. So, including this first person who is talking about this, they were also included. So, we should write what? We. Okay. Yeah. Then loyal mongoose. What do you think the meaning of the word guarding? Guarding? Guarding means being surprised, hitting someone or keeping someone safe. Yes, very good. Keeping someone safe. Yeah. Then the loyal mongoose. What do you think is the meaning of the word mistake? Mistake? In your what? This what we can say, vocabulary words also you learned. What is the meaning of this word mistake? To be right, to walk, an error. What is that? Yes, very good. An error. Then which word means the same as attacked? Furious, hit or mouth? Hit. Yeah. So here pronouns are given. Priya goes to the park, dash plays there every day. This is a girl. So we should use what? You should write she. Yeah. Rohan and Riya go to school. We are my friends. Rohan and Riya go to school. We are my friends. Is it right? We are my friends. Is it right? Yes, very good. So, it is not right. This is wrong. You should write what? What will come? Very good. They are my friends. This is my class. We eat lunch together, including her. We eat lunch together. Bruno wants to eat everything. He never stops. Why you were using he here? Because Bruno, they have given a boy's name. Yes or no? Bruno, it is a dog, but he has given boy's name. So, we should use what? We should write he never stops. Then, Rohan take a bath. Rohan, take a bath. You are looking dirty. So she is saying to Rohan, hey Rohan, take a bath because you are looking dirty. Okay. Yes, children. Then I Y, I, E and I, G, H vowel diagram you have to do. Okay. Yes. Next, we are moving to the Loyal Mongoose lesson. Okay. So, read the story from SR 13 and answer the following questions. Who are the characters in the story? So, in the story, we can see how many characters. Who are the characters? So, the characters are, yes, very good. Morgan, his wife, his baby, and his pet mongoose. Okay, so you should write this. Next, what did the mongoose do when he saw the snake? What he done? Yes, he attacked the snake and killed it, right? Yeah. Then, what did Mohan's wife do when she saw blood on the mongoose mouth? What she done? What she do? Yeah, she got angry and she hit the mongoose with a stick and killed it. Okay, yeah, if I'm going so fast, you should pause the video and you should write the answers. Okay, okay children, next come to next page. Turn next page. Yeah, what is the moral of the story? What moral you learn from the story? Yeah, the moral of the story is, yes, we should know the truth before doing any action. Okay, so we should know the truth before we take decision to do something. Okay, yeah, then come to question number F. Look at the picture and write down 5 questions. You should create 5 questions on looking this picture. So in this picture, what we can see? A mongoose with mouth full of blood. Some vegetables are on the floor. The door is opened. Then what? She is crying. She is shouting or crying. Okay. So you should create some questions based on this picture. Okay. Yeah. So I have written my own questions. So you should create your own question. Okay. Why is the woman crying? She is crying, right? She is shouting or crying. So why is the woman crying? Then how did the mongoose die? How? Yeah, you all know. She, yes, hit the mongoose and killed it. Then why are the vegetables on the floor? Yeah, well, she entered the home. She saw that mongoose mouth full of blood and she was shocked. And yeah, vegetables are on. That's why vegetables are on the floor. Okay, where is the woman sitting? Where is she sitting? She is sitting on the ground. Okay, what is the woman wearing? What is she wearing? She is wearing a sari. Okay, yeah. Next, come to next page, children. Pronoun. Yes, pronoun. So fill in the blanks with correct pronoun from the options given. Okay. So first one is Mohan is a tall boy. Mohan is a boy. So that's why you should write he. Okay. He likes to jump a lot. The hen is a pet bird. So hen, it is a bird. That's why we should write what? It. It lays eggs. Okay, yeah. Then Rohit and Shifa are playing. Dash will not come home soon. We or they. Yeah, here first person is not given. So only about Rohit and Shifa. That's why we should write they will not come home soon. Okay. Then dash all will make this world a better place. I all or we all. Yes, including the first person. So we should write we all will make this world a better place. Okay. Yeah. Next. Can dash help me with this work? Him or you? Can him or can you? Yes, it's can you. Okay. Yeah. I hope you all completed this, right? Okay, children. Let's move on to the next. Tick the correct pronoun in the following sentence. So, dash feel like going on a trip. You feel like or I feel like? I feel like. Very good. He or she listens to music after doing her homework. He or she listens to music after doing her homework. Her homework. If they have given him, sorry, if they were given his homework, you should write he. Here her is given. So we should write she. Okay. Yeah. Dash climbed Mount Everest together. They climbed or he climbed together is given. So lot of people are there. That's why we should write they. Very good. Then can you see a boy standing there? Dash is my brother. So it's a boy. Talking about a boy. Okay. Brother. So we should write it or he. Brother or a boy. He is not a thing. Okay. So we can't write it. So it is he. Yeah. Then he or we all are going to the party from here. So he or we, everybody, all, they have given all. So we. The soup is very tasty. I want you to try he or it. Soup is a thing, right? So it. Okay, children, turn next page. So pronoun, you should write pronoun here. Okay, just now we completed pronoun. So you should write this. Yeah. Then come to this. Ask questions. Look at the picture and write down 5 questions. Look at this picture carefully. Look at this picture. Yeah, there is a woman, there is a girl, then something is spilling on the ground. So houses are there. This is, what is this? Volleyball court is there. Some vegetables are there. Okay, so you should create 5 questions based on this picture. Yeah, I have written my questions. Okay, first question. How many houses are there? There are 2 houses. Then, what is spilling on the ground? Maybe it's milk or water. What vegetable you can see in the ground? So, some vegetables we can see in the garden, right? Yeah. Then, who are the characters in the picture? Maybe mother and daughter, or sisters, or aunt and kid, maybe. Okay. Why is the girl shocked? On seeing something spilling on the ground, she is shocked. Okay. Yeah. Next come to pronoun. Pronoun. So fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. My name is Po. Dash live in Africa. So talking about Po. So he himself is saying this. That's why we should write I live in Africa. Then my mother's name is Anki. She is from Australia. Mother is a girl or lady or a woman. Okay, so we should write she. My father's name is Neil and he is a doctor. So father is a man, male or what? Yeah. So he you should write. I have a brother too. Okay. So his name is Gary. He always fight with me. Gary is a boy. So he. Our dog Moti is just 2 months old. He is very clever. So why? Maybe you can write it as very clever also. I have written he because Moti is a boy's name. Okay. It is very clever also you can write. Okay, then. Dash all live in Africa. They all live in Africa. So he is talking about his family. That's why we can write we. Okay. If we were talking about them, we can write they. Okay. Then what can you tell me about your family? So you can tell me. He's asking to us. So why? What can you tell me about your family? Okay. Okay, children. So children, I hope you all completed everything. So yeah, you all completed all your exam portions, right? Okay, children. So write your exams well, study well. Lot of questions I have asked inside your book. Okay, not your book back questions, inside your book. So each and every line you should study. Okay, yeah. So write your exams well. See you in next class. Bye.